I'm Esther Wheeler at the Hook and Needle Nook, and I am the owner of the shop. And we're doing some little videos in honor of local yarn shop day on April the 29th. And we're showing you little knitting vignettes here to demonstrate some things you can put under your knitting belt. Today I'm going to tell you the difference between continental and English knitting. Continental knitting is referred to as picking. You put your needle through your thread front to back, and then you literally pick the yarn through the stitch. Through, over, through. Through, over, through. And I want you to notice the limited amount of motion that takes. English knitting also is referred to as throwing. And you set up the stitch the same way, but you throw the yarn over the needle and then pull it through the stitch. And you can see there's quite a bit more movement to do with throwing than there is with picking. However, I recommend that you learn to do both ways because it will help you do color work really well. If you want to do color work, you can hold one yarn in one hand and the other yarn in the other hand. So here I've got my left hand knitting Continental and my right hand ready to throw. So these two stitches will be Continental, and then I'll hold the needles with my left hand and throw or do English knitting with my right hand. And this makes it easy to switch. Your threads don't get messed up, and you can get your color work done fairly quickly. So, English, English, Continental. So, you're all ready to color knit with both hands. Have a good day.